Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get to the Brotherhood of Steel in Fallout New Vegas, only way. Head to Hidden Valley after finishing prerequisite quests and keep your karma stable. Avoid hostile actions, present Brotherhood tech or power armor to prove value, and use dialogue checks to gain entry. Then complete their initiation tasks to secure long-term access to the bunker and its resources. To reach Hidden Valley, fast travel to a nearby safe camp, then follow southern desert roads keeping an eye on patrols and hazards. Use night travel to reduce encounters and sneak past enemies. Approach the bunker entrance carefully, use speech or stealth to avoid immediate fights, and scout guard patterns before attempting entry so you can pick the best time to talk to Brotherhood sentries and gain permission to enter. Quick recommendation: if you like efficient game time, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control for hands-free cleaning between sessions. It keeps your space tidy so you can focus on quests. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Short, practical, and it listens to your commands. Right now let's get back to the video. Bring items that prove faction value like Brotherhood tech cases, power armor pieces, or unique weapons to show intent and usefulness. Carry chems and repair kits, and keep karma stable. Speak politely and use high speech or science checks to influence elders, and avoid stealing or harming Brotherhood assets. If locked out, complete alternate quests that raise faction standing, return later with improved gear, or seek a companion who can vouch for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.